Hey guys, what is up? This is Khan and you're looking CreativeProgrammer.com. In today's lecture, I will teach you that how you can write Fibonacci series on a Python and how to apply it on a code. But before dive into original code editor or into IDE, I'll clear your mind that what actually Fibonacci series is. If you are having some numbers, how you can print from them a Fibonacci series. So let's study it before. As in a normal number we are having 1 2 3 4 5 6, but in a Fibonacci series the first two number is 1 1, as like this. But next number is the sum of first two numbers, like 1 and 1 is equal to 2, and 2 and 3 equal to 5, and 5 and 8 equal to 13. But how you can write this function in a Python? After that we will also try, as I never seen in before video, how to take a Fibonacci series as an input from a user. So let's discuss that in a detail. Well, come to our Jupyter. This is our Jupyter notebook. We'll write a function. Let's suppose I'm writing a function diff and FEB, Fibonacci series, and you will write one parameter, Over that you will check if the given n is less than or equals to 2. Return 1. But if the given n is greater than that, what should be returned? We'll write a main formula here, right? Okay, we'll return the function fib n minus 1. For that we'll write plus. We'll return the function again n minus 2. This is a formula for Fibonacci series. If you do not understand, I'll clear your mind. Let's suppose you are having 2 here. So after 2, let's suppose here is a 2, and minus 1, you will get what from this function n. If here is, let's suppose we can say 3 minus 2, here you will get 1, here you will get 1. So if the value is less than 2, return 1. Let's do something more. Return Fibonacci series n minus 1 plus Fibonacci series n minus 2. Let's run it. There is nothing because we did not call our function, so let's call it. But you have written here, what you have written here, a return statement. So you will write print function, print EB Fibonacci series of 1. Let's suppose, as I told you, that Fibonacci series if number is less than 2 or equals to 2 to return 1. It's returning, yes, that is being returned. If, let's suppose, the given number is greater than 2, or what we can say equal to 2, what that would be returned. If that is equal to 2, that would be returning 1, and if that is equal to something more, let's suppose 3 4 5, will do that in one in one, or we can say in one rows, that you will be having a clear understanding. Let's copy this, Control C, and paste it here. Once again, paste it. Once again, paste it. Once again, paste it, and that will be enough. 2, that is 3, that is 4, that is 5, that is 6. Let's suppose we have this whole number from 1 to 6, and we want to translate it into Fibonacci series. So how we can do that? Let's run it. You can see first two number is what? 1 1. The next is the sum of these two, the first two number. After that, sum of these, and later on. But if you want to take Fibonacci series as an input from a user, so you can also do that method as well. But for that, you will need to have a one variable. How we'll write it here? Let's suppose h equals to int input, enter a number to check. After that, we will assign this to Fibonacci series, this h. Let's run it, that it's working or not. Taking input as a 7 will give. That's fine, completely fine. This is a Fibonacci series, 7 Fibonacci series is. So I teach you that how you can take input. But if you want to write something, let's suppose like that, we write whole number from 1 to 8, whatever that is. So how you can do that? You will write for loop for that. For I in, you will use range. That, let's suppose 9, and you will copy that, you will paste it here, when you run it, let's run it, you will be having more space to give number or more input, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. You can see clearly that we have taken as an input a number that if you enter 1 2 3, what will be their Fibonacci series. That was enough for today. But if you are still new in our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon, that you will get a latest update. We uploading different types of videos and different things according to programming. But if you are interested, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, that you will get latest update. Thank you for watching.